Let's make something quick tonight. It's gonna have to be Indomie. So we're gonna put this in. It's 4 pieces of Indomie. It's time to start frying the onion and the scotch pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. And then we're gonna add in the long ones. 1 teaspoon of seasoning, not too much, because we're gonna have that in the egg and in other bits later on. So. I've got my choir backup singer in the background. Yeah.
Do you want to join Dada?
Just gonna add in the shrimp. And the noodles. I want to get what noodles. Let's throw the eggs away. No, it's perfect. I'm going to say that one. And add in the veg. Take it that way. And serve it. Black peppercorn, start with those dark. I want to check whether the seasoning is just right, so I'm gonna get just a little taste. If I can get the shrimp. Got it just right. It's a bit spicy though, but all that will be almost added to the noodles, so bring down the spice. Actually, okay. Now that the noodles have been added, it's time to sort of stir it through, just gently stirring it through, picking it up so that it doesn't get shredded. So pepper send through the oil. Yes, you like cheese too? Add some grilled fish and decided to add it to this dish. And this is the end result. Voila! You hungry, Ire?